Hey guys, so I have 3 Hunter Adirondack fans here in this lobby. They very kindly let me film them since it's quiet, so yeah. So all 3 of these seem to run at a different speed because of the dial they're on. So I think this is low. I think all the fans are on high on the pull chain, so yeah. The dial's all right, but personally I think these should just have been run off maybe a 3-speed control. The dial makes them all pretty buzzy. They all look great for this room, so it's perfect. This one's a little wobbly compared to the other 2, and the light's a little bent. You can see in there's a few more hanging on long down rods, but they're exactly the same, nothing special. This one seems to be running the best. That one has its trim ring covering the mounting screws there. So no, actually, they seem to be matching each other's speed all right. So do a little, that's about a quarter turn. These fans are great fans too. They give a great breeze. That didn't seem to change much. You can see that one wobbling. Couple of the blades are out of whack on it. You can see it there. These 2 are all right though. I'll give it another turn. There we go. That's about another quarter. The one over there is really beginning to pick up. I think all 3 of them, all their capacitors are drifting, so they all have different high speeds. It's about medium on the control there, so yeah. And just because I want to do it, it's straight to high. The one over there is really noisy compared to these 2. That one over there has no wobble. This one has an ever so slight one. And that one over there's now that I see them, I don't think they're that bad, so but they're all a little, they all need a little touch up. Oh, here's spin down. Just trying to be fast here. I don't want to take up their time, so yeah. I can kind of get all 3 on the shot here, but yeah. Like I said, they're all the same, so the difference is just the shape they're all in. Like I said, this place has a bunch of these, and this is probably the only fan they have, but good choice though. All right. I think this angle's better. Oh no, I can't see all 3 of them if I do that. Oh no. Let's shut these real quick. There we go. So 2 of them are pretty close in spin down. One of them is much longer than the other 2. So they're all pretty close, and I was worried about the speeds, but honestly, they don't look that bad now that I see them again, so. I think it's this one that stops first, or it's the one over the entrance there. That's the one that has a longer spin down. Yeah, it was that one. Then the one over the door. That one, and then that one's last. Sorry guys, people, I don't want to show their faces. Try to maintain some kind of privacy. And that one's last. And the bearings on these 2 are pretty similar. That one is a little better, despite being more wobbly. I think it just needs to be tightened on the stem, so yeah. turn them 0 to high, and we'll wrap this up. And the 3 of them together, they throw off an incredible breeze, so yeah. More than enough for this space. Alright, so turn them back to low where they had them. And thank you all for watching.